Okay, welcome to Wednesday, my friends. I really miss you. I hope everyone's doing well. So, just a couple things. Make sure that you're doing your ABCs every day. A says A-N-A. It's really important for our reading that you can do that quickly and that you can remember that. That's the first thing. Make sure that you're also being super good students for your parents. Make sure that you're working hard on your worksheets and doing your best to answer the questions that I'm asking in our little videos. Thanks for watching and for being ready to learn. Okay, today I'm going to teach you something new. We've gone over a lot of shapes before. We've done our hexagons, our trapezoids, our triangles, parallelograms, lots of shapes. Today, we're going to learn a 3D shape. This is like when I asked you about the cube. A cube is a 3D shape because it has a bunch of squares around the cube, but the cube itself is a 3D shape. So here's our new shape today. It's this. Does anybody know what this would be called? I'm gonna make some observations about this shape. Here's another one, just so you can see two different ones. So something that I notice about this shape, this 3D shape, is that there are two circles, one on the top, one on the bottom. Do we call this a circle? This is not a circle, but there are circles on our shape. These two shapes are called cylinders. Say that word with me, cylinder. Let's do it with the syllables. Cylinder. Cylinder, that's 3 syllables. The way you can tell something is a cylinder is, like I said, if it has 2 circles on the top and on the bottom, and it can roll. Like this. It can roll. This one can also roll. What is different about these 2 cylinders? You can probably see some differences. Of course, the colors are different. The sizes are different. One's smaller and one's bigger, and one's taller and one's shorter. The material of the cylinders are different. This one's soft and squishy. This one is hard, but they both roll. They both have circles on the top and on the bottom. Let me show you some other examples of a cylinder. This is also a cylinder. It has a circle shape at the top. It's not an exact circle, but you kind of get the idea. It has a circle on the bottom. Can this roll? Yeah, if I were to roll it along the floor or along the counter, it would roll. So this is a 3D shape of a cylinder. Same with this. Cylinder has a circle on the top, circle on the bottom, and it's round on the middle, and it can roll. I want you to find something in your house today that's a cylinder. So I can think of one thing. At my house, it's in the kitchen, and food comes inside of it, like soup or SpaghettiOs or tuna fish. It's a can, right? A can is also a cylinder. There's a circle on the top, circle on the bottom, and it can roll. So find something in your house that's a cylinder. The reason I'm teaching you this is because the worksheet for today goes right here. It goes over cylinders. So it says color the shortest cylinder yellow. So this one is looking at all the heights. Remember, height is how tall something is. So you're supposed to color the shortest one yellow. Color the tallest cylinder green. So find the one that's the tallest to color it green. Color the third cylinder red. So instead of doing height this time, it's asking you to count in order. Remember order, first, second, third. First, second, third. So that one we'll color red. Color the first cylinder blue. First, right here. Which cylinder is green? So then you're going to answer which cylinder in order is green, which cylinder is yellow. Okay, so I needed to teach you about a cylinder. I want you to find a cylinder in your home today. A couple of things about the rest of the worksheets. This one is a writing prompt. It says, tell me your favorite thing about March, or write about what you love about March. March is the month that we're in. And I think you can probably do this, but just a reminder, if you're going to be writing a sentence, the first letter should always be, do you got it? Uppercase. So if I were going to say I, it should be uppercase, I. The next important part, finger space. I like, finger space, March, because remember, you're just doing your best. You're just stretching out the word. If you don't know how to write it exactly, it's okay. We're just practicing stretching out a word. I like March because, and then you're gonna write what you wanna write. I'm not gonna write one because then you might wanna write the same thing as me, and everybody likes March for different reasons. So brainstorm with your mom or your dad or your grandma or grandpa or sister or brother or babysitter. Brainstorm with them to see why you like March. There's lots of different reasons. Here's a little hint down here. You might like March because St. Patrick's Day. You might like March because of the weather. You might like March because maybe your birthday month is March. Then after you write your sentence, at the very end goes a period. We're gonna pretend like I wrote my whole sentence, but okay. I don't think there's anything else too big in here except you're gonna count by fives to do the fish. I'm gonna bring you over here because there's a lot of parts of our worksheets that ask us to do the digraphs, and I just want to remind you the digraphs. Digraphs, when you have two letters together, it makes one sound. This is the digraph, ch, sh, th, w, e, oo, and th, like phone. We haven't done this one before. PH together makes a sound th. Mostly you're gonna have to remember ch, like chicken, sh, like shark, and th, like thumb. Sometimes wa, wa. All right, there's your instructions for today's packet. Hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.